Sir, ano masasabi niyo po ngayon?
Ah, excited na kinakabahan.
Ba't ka kinakabahan?
Ano ba? Siyempre first time. First and last.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave.
20 years?
21, 22, turning 22.
Kung hindi mo,
As a girlfriend,
kung hindi mo masasabi sa kanya sa maraming tao, anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Ano ba? Parang nasabi ko na sa kanila lahat, pero ano ba? Ayun lang, thank you, saka sana mas tumatag pa namin yung sama namin. Kasi ako, hindi ako masalita. Man of a few words, kumbaga. More on action. So yun, alam din niya yun. Kaya
Friends of Carlo and Helen, we are gathered here in the presence of God to witness and celebrate the marriage of this lovely couple and join them in prayer that God may bless them now and in the years ahead. Carlo and Helen, we who are present here rejoice with you. We are glad to join with you in the celebration of your marriage, to witness your vows, to pray with you and for you, and to wish you joy in your life together. Carlo, of your own free choice, do you take Helen to be your wife?
I do.
Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Helen, of your own free choice, do you take Carlo to be your husband?
I do.
Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
With God as my witness, I take you to be my husband. I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. With my body, I honor you, and all I have, I share with you.
Helen Grace Tomamo de la Cruz, with God as my witness, I take you to be my wife. I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. With my body, I honor you, and all I have, I share with you.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Carlo and Helen Manahan.
Ano yung looking forward mo for after this?
More memories, saka lahat ng goals namin matupad namin kasi kami parang step by step. So kumbaga parang every year may goal kami. So nung last year parang bahay, kasi ngayon siguro wedding, then hopefully next naman is yun, magkaroon kami ng trying and planning to have baby. Yun. So finally after a long time nangyari na. kahit even though na hindi namin kasama yung family namin dito, pero yun nga, pag uwi namin, yun din yung isang ano namin, plan namin, para ma-celebrate with with them. Siguro, yun nga, right timing din, saka siguro, ito na siguro nga yung ano, tamang panahon. Kahit matagal din siya nag-wait, so sabi nila, it's never too late naman, so
Kung papanoorin mo to 5 years from now, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa old na ikaw at saka old na Helen?
isip ko, or masasabi ko sa kanya na buti natis mo ako. I mean 5 years, wala lang yun kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, 20 plus years kami magkasama. So, parang lahat ng bagay, no, alam na namin sa isa't isa. I mean, good things, bad things. So, talagang wala na akong maitatago sa isa't isa niya. More memories, more, sana lahat ng goals namin ma-achieve namin. So, yun.
Paano natin i-break to mamaya sa mga tao?
Di ko din alam, baka magulat din siya kasi sila din, I mean yung mga friends natin talagang kumbaga matagal na din hinihintay yung wedding din namin ni Helen. So siguro yon, for sure magiging ano din sila, happy for us.
Ayos.
5 minutes, 10 seconds. Okay, on my count, say.
Where's the count?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, say ring! Ring! Another one, say ring! Ring! Okay, tingin kila Helen! Helen!
Kaya pala yung damit niya. Sabi ko mukha nang kakasala. Kaya wala kami. Kaya pala naka-all. Kaya pala naka-all. Ano siya kumaga?
Kaya pala naka-polo si Kaloy. Hindi pa rin nag-polo yun eh. Ayos. Nagulat. Alam mo ba, Kaloy?
Alam niya, alam na.
Wala na iiyak sa akin!